What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I'm looking to buy Boom 500 index on the level of 4,305, marking out my expected buy zone, placing a buy limit order on my level on a one lot, giving about $14 risk on this trade. So why do I expect this index to buy from this zone? What's my view and analysis on this index? So analyzing from the daily time frame, we can see this index has been on a bearish run for a very long time. This index has been on a downtrend, creating a series of lower highs. As we can see here, let's change the color of this to black so it will be visible enough here. Series of lower highs and series of lower lows. So this is a clear bearish structure which this index has been on, and I expect this index to gain value in the coming weeks and months because the market is looking oversold and it approached a zone which has been attracting the buyers on this index. We've got a lot of buy moves in this area, so I expect this index to gain value in the coming days and weeks. Looking at the past market structure, which was a bullish structure, we can see that before the start of this bullish structure, this index formed a double bottom formation, which is a bullish reversal pattern, having the first low formation there and the second low at this point, which this index was coming from a bearish trend, a bearish structure basically of got series of lower highs and series of lower lows formation. So before the shift of this trend, this structure, we had this double bottom formation, which is a bullish reversal pattern that shifted the market structure from a bearish structure to a bullish structure, and the market is about giving a similar formation, a similar move at this point. We have got price from the first low here. Don't know if you can see this clearly. Yeah, the first low at that point and the second low formed here, the double bottom formation forming, indicating the bullish presence on this index. So we're likely to see price push up in the coming days and hours, giving a reversal on this index, at least price buying to this level of resistance. Then a break of this zone, a break of this level would get more buys on this index, would get a move of this kind, a break and retest of this zone for a bullish continuation on Boom 500 index. Is just like using past market formations to predict the next market move. This was the previous formation, a double bottom formation formed here that gave the buys that produced this bullish run, the bullish move here. So I expect the same move on this index at this point, getting similar formation on this index, because price action analysis is basically using past market reactions, formations, levels and zones to predict the next market move. So I'm using a past move, a past market scenario to predict what would happen next on this index. So this gives me the buy expectations on this index here. So analyzing further to the 4-hour time frame, we've got this bullish structure formation which the market is forming up, getting series of higher lows, about 3 higher lows formed here. First low at this point here, first low here, second low, higher low, and the third higher low formed, and series of higher highs as well. So this is a bullish structure on this time frame coming into place. Next, identify this historical level. We have got past history zone, same price, buy, support, sell, resistance here as well. This little buy support, and currently price just retested this level, buying on it as a support, which I'll be expecting more buys in the coming minutes and hours for price to come from a new higher low at this point, which I'll be expecting the buys on this index. Analyzing further to the 1 hour time frame, I identified this bullish trend. You have got series of higher lows as well and series of higher highs at this point. So this validates the bullish expectations on this index, having a bullish structure on the 4-hour time frame, and now on the 1 hour time frame you can see the clear test of this level, confirming this level to be a major zone on this index. So we got buy possibilities if price can retest this zone, the point where I placed my buy limit order on. And there was also another block formation formed in this zone, a bullish order block, a rally based rally, which aligns with this level, this identified zone. So if price can drop into this zone, we got buy possibilities on this index, and there would be a formation of an inverted head and shoulders where we got the left shoulder formed here already, the shoulder formed at the point, the head formed here, and the right shoulder which is expected to form on price with testing this zone, which I'll be getting my entries on, catching the buys on this index here, catching the buys from this retest of this level. And we also have this trend support level as an additional confluence on this index, being that this level has been respected multiple times, getting the first buy support, the trend support, second test of that trend support. When we zoom into the chart, we can see it clearly. and the third bar is here already. So if price can drop into this zone, there's a possibility of the fourth test of this trend support for the buys as well. So all of this put together gives me the buy expectations on this index. I'll be looking to buy this index if price can drop into the zone, which I'll drop the trade signal to my VIP members and the trade setup on my public Telegram channel. Don't miss out on my 5 trade signals and the higher probability trade setups I share to join my Telegram channel. Link is in this video description and is pinned on this video comment section. So click to join and don't miss out. And you can see we've also got a double bottom formation formed here where price got the first lows and the second low. So this will probably be price coming to retest the neckline of this double bottom formation, which there was also a break of structure, price breaking past this previous highs because we've got this little downtrend on the 15-minute time frame where we've got series of lower highs and lower lows formation, and price has clearly broken past this previous highs, giving a break of structure on this index. So if price can drop into this zone, I'll be buying this index. Day trading target should be on these highs, and if price can break past these highs at the level of 4,340, then we'll get more buys to this trend resistance level, at least these higher highs, which I would still have a position running up to this level. So that's it, guys. That's my view and analysis on Boom 500 index. For more market analysis like this and market breakdown, do what to smash the like button, drop a good comment on this video, and subscribe if you're to subscribe. And to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. It's a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.